Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Tinambakan ng Magnolia Hotshots ang Eastern Hong Kong 107-78. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Ian Sanggalang sa likod na kanang 14 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists. Top performer ng Eastern Hong Kong si Glenn Yang sa likod ng kanang 14 points, 5 rebounds, 4 assists at 1 block. Nagtala naman si Ratliff ng 25 points, 16 rebounds, 7 assists, 2 steals at 1 block. Baroka 11 points, 1 rebound, 5 assists. Alfaro III 4 points, 2 rebounds, 1 assist. Dionisio 3 rebounds, 1 assist at 2 steals. Sanggalang 14 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists. Nag-ambag naman si Jerome Lastimosa ng 20 points, 5 rebounds, 4 assists. Lucero 20 points, 9 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 steal. De La Rosa 8 points. Abueva 5 points, 7 rebounds, 3 assists, 2 steals at 1 block. Pauli 1 rebound, 4 assists. James Lapot 0 point. Para naman sa natalong Eastern Hong Kong, McLaughlin 20 points, 10 rebounds, 1 steal. Blankley 9 points, 6 rebounds, 7 assists at 1 block. Chow 9 points, 3 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 steal. Chan 2 points, 1 block. Glenn Yang 14 points, 5 rebounds, 4 assists at 1 block. Nag-ambag naman si Kobe Lam ng 13 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist. Genchard 4 points, 3 rebounds, 1 assist at 2 steals. Chong 3 points, 2 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 steal. Pok 3 points, 1 rebound, 1 steal at 1 block. Zo 1 point, 1 rebound. Shaw 1 rebound, 1 steal. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Tinambakan din ng TNT Tropang Giga ang San Miguel Bearmen 115-97. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Ronde Hollis Jefferson sa likod na kanang 35 points, 21 rebounds, 10 assists, 3 steals at 1 block. Top performer naman ng San Miguel Bearmen si John Mar Fajardo sa likod na kanang 34 points, 13 rebounds, 1 steal at 1 block. Humakot naman si Roger Pugay ng 22 points, 2 assists at 1 steal. Oftana 16 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist. Nambatak 6 points, 1 rebound, 7 assists at 2 steals. Kelly Williams 6 points, 4 rebounds. Hollis Jefferson 35 points, 21 rebounds, 10 assists, 3 steals at 1 block. Nag-ambag naman si Castro ng 14 points, 2 rebounds, 5 assists at 1 steal. Eram 14 points, 9 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 block. Galinato 2 points, 2 rebounds. Harwela 2 rebounds, 1 assist. Cobonten 1 rebound. Eximiniano 0 point. Para naman sa natalong San Miguel Bearmen, Troliano 13 points, 2 rebounds. Malik Pop 10 points, 7 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 block. Seje Perez 9 points, 7 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Chongson 3 points, 1 rebound, 2 assists. Fajardo 34 points, 13 rebounds, 1 steal at 1 block. Nag-ambag naman si Tautua ng 10 points, 3 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal at 1 block. Lasseter 9 points, 3 rebounds, 4 assists. Jericho Cruz 6 points, 6 rebounds, 1 assist. Chris Ross 3 points, 3 rebounds, 6 assists at 1 steal. Kahilig 1 block. Rosales 0 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of January 26, 2025. Northport Batangper 9 wins, 3 losses. TNT Tropang Giga 8 wins, 3 losses. Converge Fiber Xers 8 wins, 4 losses. Meralco Bolt 7 wins, 3 losses. Eastern Hong Kong 7 wins, 4 losses. Barangay Ginebra 7 wins, 4 losses. Rain or Shine Elasto Pinter 6 wins, 5 losses. NLEX Road Warriors 5 wins, 6 losses. Magnolia Hotshots 5 wins, 6 losses. San Miguel Bearmen 5 wins, 7 losses. Blackwater Bossing 3 wins, 9 losses. Phoenix Fuel Masters 3 wins, 9 losses. Tira Firma Jeep 1 win, 11 losses. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ngayong January 29, 2025 na gaganapin sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Magtutuos ang Eastern Hong Kong at NLEX Road Warriors alas 5 ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang Barangay Ginebra at Meralco Bolts alas 7:30 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.